Assalamu alaikum. This lesson is going to be a very short and summarized one because we're going to be discussing just about four words. The first one is the word tafiqa. The second is the word ja'ala. The third is akhadha. And the last is shara'a. This is because these four words, they are interrelated. What do we mean by that? They could be used in the same context. Like when you want to say in the English language that he began playing, meaning he started playing, you can use any of these words. How? Because the word tafiqa, ja'ala, akhadha, and shara'a, they could be used to mean when someone began doing something. Like I can say, ja'ala yaf'alu kadha. He began doing this. Tafiqa yaf'alu kadha. Akhadha yaf'alu kadha. And shara'a yaf'alu kadha. Even in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَطَفِقَا يَخْصِفَانِ عَلَيْهِمَا مِنْ وَرَقِ الْجَنَّةِ. That Adam and Hawa alayhi salam, they began to look for a leaf from the paradise. So the word tafiqa ja'ala, they could be used in this way. I can say, وَطَفِقُوا يَتَحَرَّكُونَ. They began to move, meaning the students. وَجَعَلُوا يَتَحَرَّكُونَ. They began to move. وَأَخَذُوا يَتَحَرَّكُونَ. Or وَشَرَعُوا يَتَحَرَّكُونَ. Meaning وَبَدَأُوا. They began to do something. So whenever you want to speak the Arabic language and you have it in mind that you want to use the word tafiqa, you can as well use the word shara'a, the word akhadha, and the word ja'ala. And these words, we can also attach the pronouns to them. If you mean a single person, you simply say tafiqa ya'kulu. He began to eat. Do you understand? Ja'alu ya'kulun. They began to eat. So if it is a single person, it is simply tafiqa, he. Tafiqu, they. Tafiqa, both of them. The same thing for ja'ala. He began. Ja'alu, they began. Ja'ala, two of them began. The same for shara'a and the same for akhadha. Now let's quickly look at our book and see how this topic is simply explained. We can see tafiqa yaf'alu kadha. He began doing this. Ja'ala yaf'alu kadha. The same thing. Akhadha yaf'alu kadha. The same thing. A shara'a yaf'aluhu. These three things we have said, they all mean that he began doing something. هذه الأفعال الثلاثة تعمل عمل كان. These three words we can see, the word fa'ala, the word ja'ala, and the word akhadha. It is said that the three of them, they have the effect of the word kana. You all know that the word kana, whenever it comes before a word, it changes the noun into carry in dhamma, while the khabar will carry fatha. إلا أن خبرها يجب أن يكون جملة فعلية فعلها مضارع. The only difference between these three words is with kana is that the khabar, the predicate of these three words, must be a one which has a present tense verb. It must be a verbal sentence having a present tense verb. So you can use the comment section to bring a lot of other examples from the Quran and the Hadith, and by your own self form sentences using the word tafiqa, using the word ja'ala, and using the word akhadha. All of them, they mean shara'a, to start, to begin. I can say tafiqu yatahayya'una lis-salah. They began to prepare for the salah. Here we simply have أدخل كل فعل من هذه الأفعال في جملة مفيدة. You have to place each of these following words in a complete sentence. This is left for you to do. طفق جعل أخذ and شرع. A clue, I can simply say طفق يأكل الطعام. He began to eat the food. جعل يضربني. He began to beat me. أخذ يضرب أخاه. He began to beat his brother. Then shara'a ya'kulul at'ima. He began to eat the food. So you can bring a lot of other examples. Here lastly we have hati mudari al-af'al al-atiyah. You are to bring the present tense of the following words. The first one is taharraka, which means he moved. Yataharraku, he's moving. Abitha, then you have what? Ya abathu. Abitha is to roam for no reason, roam about. Then sa'ima, sa'ima, to lose hope, sa'ima, to become bored. You understand? With this, we come to the end of this. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us understanding. Until we meet again, jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum.